We're headed over to Cherry Creek Falls and Coal Creek Falls. We'll see how the dogs are doing. And if we have time, we'll go to the tide pools. Let's go. Are you ready? You ready to go on a hike? You'll go for a walk? Yeah? We're going on an adventure. So when you come to do this hike, make sure that you're parking in designated areas and follow the signs. You have to be all the way off the street, otherwise they will ticket you and then tow you. So the start of the hike is at Cherry and Mountain View, and you look for this blue pole and cement block to go up the trail. This is a 5.1 mile loop trail that is rated as easy on all trails. It only gains around 636 feet in elevation, so really a family-friendly hike. You can bring your dogs, they just need to be on a leash, and make sure to bring poop baggies in case they do a dookie. It's like walking in Fern Gully.
Yeah, it's beautiful here.
Hi, Ivy. Did you come join us today? Because Finn's being a bad boy.
Auntie Bree's using her magic on trying to get Finn to not pull. Falls are this way. She really is one of my best friends because I don't know anyone else that would have the patience to deal with Finn's energy, but she volunteered to train him how to heel because I adopted him at 9 months and he didn't know how to obey any command pretty much. So I call Bree the dog whisperer. There's a stream right here, and then a bridge that you have to cross.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the month.
So your feet are very small, keep walking. So pretty. All these fall colors.
And now there's something.
I don't know about anybody else, but my body just does not know how to regulate itself in humid weather. 'Cause how cold is it, do you think? Like 59? And I feel like it's in the 60s. I mean, you know, no big deal.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover.
So here's the second car that you pass. I want to know how they got it here, to be honest, because that's pretty impressive.
Hand in hand, building castles out of
Yeah, we found it.
We made it! So pretty, definitely worth it.
dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes undercut.
It's kind of hard to capture how big the place is, but it looks a lot smaller on video than it does in real life. But yeah, this was definitely worth it. What is it, Finn? Get it, Finn! Get it! What is it? Cookie! What is it, Finn? Get it, Finn! Get it, get it! Get it, Finn! Get it! Get it, Finn! Get it! 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 Almost! Almost! Oh. Come with me and with Bree, and we'll go on a Seattle adventure. We're running out of daylight and we're running into rain, so we are foregoing the second trail, especially because the dogs are pretty pooped.
Dogs and humans.
Dogs and humans. So like the freaking video and share with a friend, because I just hauled my ass up a 5-mile trail for y'all. I'm gonna go eat sushi. Show you that later. The situation has deteriorated. We're losing it big time. Mama needs food. Give me food. So on the menu this evening is a revolving sushi bar where the sushi just kind of makes its rounds and you pick off what you want and then it charges you later for it. So we're gonna head in here and get some yum yum. So as these plates come through, you can pick whatever you want off of this conveyor belt and they charge you $3.20 per one. So you can pick this plate up and then it pops out and then you can eat this. They'll bring wasabi by and when you're done you just slide the plate in there and that's how they charge you. You can also order something up here and it will come on this conveyor belt straight to your table. What do you think, Bree?
I'm so excited right now. I'm so excited.
I think I'm gonna go with the miso ramen. Oh, okay. And then you just yay!
I'm gonna put this in here.
Okay. Let it go down the hole. Okay, so you unlock.
Oh, that looks good. This looks so good.
Well, the eel was pretty good. It was a little dry on top because I think most people are afraid of trying eel. But now I have a tuna that I just saw was put back on the plate. So here we go. I never thought I would be like a raw fish type sushi person, but that was pretty good. And to finish off the night, I will cheers you to a cheesecake. sayonara. I'm going into a food coma after this. See you tomorrow, guys.